To draw a 2-point perspective room, we're going to draw a whole bunch of lines until it looks kind of like a diamond, and then we're going to erase until it looks like that. So let's start by drawing. Let's start by drawing a horizon line. Actually, I think I'll do it on a bigger piece of paper to make it easier. I'm looking at this picture first. So I'm going to draw a horizon line. Then I want to draw to this vanishing point. I'm going to draw from this vanishing point through the bottom of the line all the way to the other side. So it's going to go from this vanishing point through the bottom and all the way through to the other side. And I'm going to do the same thing, going from this vanishing point to the top of the line all the way to the other side. Wherever it ends up on the other side is fine. So I start at the vanishing point and then go to the top of the line and then go all the way to the other side. Okay. Now you'll notice that this line went off the side this way and this line went off the top side this way. That's okay. But I want this to look like this. So in order for this to look like this, I need to erase. Okay, so the vanishing line, we still have the points here that we go to. So when I make the door, I'm going to make a long line going that way. And to make so let me just start by making the perpendicular line, the vertical line for the door. Let's make it kind of like that. There's one side of the door, and I want to make the top of the door. But in order to do that, I want to connect the top of the door to the vanishing point here. So there's the top of the door, and there's the vanishing point, and I want to connect those 2 points. Then I'm going to draw a line straight down to make it look like that. So here's my door. It's going to look like that. I line up the bottom of my ruler again and draw a line straight down. Then I can put my doorknob in. And I can erase this line. I'm going to put in a window here. So putting in a window is a lot like putting in a door, but you don't have, the window doesn't go all the way to the bottom the way the door does. So the window is going to be here. I'm going to start by just drawing a vertical line. I'm trying to copy this picture here. So I'm going to start by drawing a line. It's going to be like a triangle. There's the bottom connecting to the vanishing point. Here comes the top connecting to the vanishing point. And if you want to turn your paper around while you're doing this to make it easier, that's fine. This is going to be my window here. But I need to erase this triangle because it looks weird. So that's what my window should look like. Before I erase the triangle here, I'm going to draw another line like this to make this other side of the window. So again, I lined that up there. To make the window look like it's got wood going through so that it's 4 separate panes, you can make an X by connecting these two. And then these two. And then when we do that, we know that that's right in the middle. So we can draw a line perpendicular, a vertical line going straight through that middle of that X. When you're done, you can also erase the vanishing points.